On a video inspection demonstration of New Holland 555E tractor backhoe loader. It's a two-wheel drive machine, as you can see. I'm going to take you all the way around it. It's in very good condition. It does have an engine noise. It could be just an exhaust leak. But it runs fine, actually. We're just upfront and honest and tell you everything we know about it. You'll hear it in the video. Good cutting edge on the bucket. Real nice hoe. Go ahead. You can see it starts right up, fires right off. Could just be a fuel knot too, it could be a bad injector. These motors are real solid, they last for a long time. Doesn't even have any leaks or anything. And we thank you for your time.